maybe listen a little bit to the Audi SQ8 here, like this. Just listen to it. It sounds really good. So hello people, this is Moscarblog and you are joining me today on a beautiful night drive or sunset drive with the Audi SQ8 here in Düsseldorf. And just look at this amazing thing here. It's the brand new 2024 facelift with those new amazing lights, powered by a 4.0 V8 bi-turbo. And let's now show you the front and then jump inside. This is the amazing front of the Audi SQ8 facelift. Just look at it. It looks like a Q8 S-Line since they removed the SQ8 badge, which I really loved, but it's still super menacing looking, like a big tank, like a big boat. Before we start, check out those new lights. I think they look super amazing. The new grille, the honeycomb styling grille, the air intake here. We got a super big, nice S-brake, and I'll show you the interior. Before we take it out for a drive, look at this here. Absolutely beautiful, gorgeous S-seat. Let's take it out for a drive. So people, let's take out the Audi SQ8 for a drive. It's a really beautiful place to be here at night. As you can see, we've got a 360-degree camera, which is super helpful in the city when maneuvering such a big tank like the Audi SQ8. We've got the beautiful ambient lighting here in this purple I've set myself, but there's also colors set by Audi, for example Caribbean, and you have this beautiful blue with a yellow underlight there, which looks also super nice. We've got the 4-liter V8 bi-turbo, which is just a super engine for this car. It's known out of the Lamborghini Euros to be exact. It's also used in Porsche products like the Cayenne or Panamera. And you can definitely hear that this thing is no joke. Listen to it here under this bridge with me. Under this bridge with me. It's like in a spaceship, honestly. The beautiful ambient lighting with the leather, with those amazing climate controls down here. We can also make it lighter or make it completely like here. And it's just an amazing place to spend time in at night, this Audi SQ8. It's also super dimmed. It's so silent in here. That's why you also don't really hear the V8 so much, because it is super good. It's super dimmed in here, and just look at this thing here at night. It's also got a super nice cruise control, which is also smart with the speed signs and stuff like that. It knows how much you can drive before you even arrive there, and it will automatically set down to that speed, which is also absolutely amazing. As you can see, we're now driving through a tunnel, and we could maybe listen a little bit to the Audi SQ8 here, like this. Just listen to it. It sounds really good, but there is no fake sound pump to the interior like in the Euros or something like this. That's what I also really like about this car. It's super natural, it's super raw. We've also got heated seats and ventilated seats, also for the passenger. And you can listen to that V8 here. It sounds really good. Because Audi did a lot of colors to this one here by themselves, or you can basically do individual, and then you can set the colors for the upper part and for the lower part. That's a BMW 850i overtaking us here. And look at this nice blue here down there now. Nice turquoise and stuff like this. It's a very nice, beautiful place to spend your night drives in, this Audi SQ8 interior. Look at the cruise control here. I'm gonna set it on to 60 now, and it will do everything by itself now. This is the speed warning, which is mandatory, and look at it now. It will do everything by itself. It steers super good. It will set the speed automatically. You just have to touch the steering wheel a couple of times, but it is actually doing a super job. Listen to that nice M850i there. Other than that, you are feeling in a super luxurious car, and it has so many modes. We can basically set it to off-road and all-road, and then it will bump itself up super high It will be a really high car there. ESP is also getting half turned off, and off-road, all-road efficiency, comfort, automatic, dynamic, and I think individual. Yes, this car has so many modes, and it will always adjust its adjustable suspension to your mode. The new price of this car is, with options, 150,000 euros. It is a lot of money, but you're getting a lot of car. But the question is, should you just buy the Audi RSQ8 instead of this one? Spend the extra 30,000 euros, 35,000 euros? And I think yes, I think you should buy the Audi RSQ8, because this is the same engine, but it is heavily detuned, like 100 horsepower less. And the styling of the RS isn't there. The carbon ceramic brake isn't optionable like on the Audi RS Q8, and there's a lot of stuff missing for this Audi SQ8. So that's why I would tell you to get the Audi RSQ8 instead of the Audi SQ8, but it's still a super nice cruiser and way nicer than a normal Audi Q8. It really feels like driving a tank, but at the same time it is agile. It does what you want it to do. It's super nice with leather here, ambient lighting, everything. The sound system sounds super nice. Also what I like are these seats. It's super comfortable to sit in here, to spend time in here. We can change the gauge cluster here, as you can see, navigation, zoom in, zoom out with the newest Google Maps technology. Audi is now using the 2024 Google Maps image, like it's saying here, and honestly, it's just amazing. It's just amazing as a vehicle. And here at night, downshift. Nice sound. So people, I hope you enjoyed the night drive of the Audi SQ8. This little small review. Check out my Autobahn video and the review of this car if you're interested in one. And I hope I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.